Let's go over how to set up the best render settings for 4K exports in After Effects. This will ensure you get the highest quality output possible. Start by selecting the composition you want to render. Head to the top menu and click on Composition, then choose Add to Render Queue. If you prefer shortcuts, you can use Ctrl+M on Windows or Command+M on Mac. This will open the render queue at the bottom of your screen. In the render queue, you'll see an option for render settings. Click on the best settings next to it. A new window will pop up. In this window, set the quality to best and make sure the resolution is set to full. These settings will give you the highest quality output. When you're done, click OK. Next, move on to the Output module. Click on Lossless, which will open another settings window. For the format, choose QuickTime Movie if you have QuickTime installed. If you don't, AVI is a solid alternative. Under the Channel section, select RGB unless you need a transparent background. If transparency is required, choose RGB plus alpha. Now, click on the Format Options button to choose your codec. If you're looking for top-notch quality, animation is a popular choice, but keep in mind it might result in larger file sizes. If file size is an issue, you can experiment with other codecs that offer a good balance of quality and compression. For audio, the default settings should work fine for most projects, but feel free to tweak them if your project requires specific settings. Once you're happy with the settings, click OK. Before hitting render, make sure to set your file name and destination. Click on Output To, choose a folder that's easy for you to access later, and give your file a clear name. Finally, when everything's set up, click the Render button on the far right to start exporting. The render time can vary depending on your system's performance and the complexity of your composition, so be prepared for it to take a bit of time if your project is heavy. And that's it. Thanks for watching.